Following the deadly school shooting in Zamboanga, another school is now on alert after a disturbing online threat surfaced. RJ Rosalado is on the line from Zamboanga City for this exclusive report. RJ, what do we know about this threat?
Yes, some parents are now worried after an online threat allegedly made by two students related on social media, claiming that they planned to imitate a shooting incident at Ateneo de Zamboanga University Junior High School. According to Abelardo Brutas, principal of Maria Clara Lobregat National High School, the two students who allegedly owned the accounts used to threaten their school have already been identified. The two students who are reportedly enrolled at the school are in grades 10 and 12. Brutas immediately reported the online threat to local police and summoned the two students and their parents. At the police station, Brutas spoke with the students and their parents about the threatening post. According to the students, they were only joking when they posted online about their supposed plan to imitate the shooting incident at Ateneo de Zamboanga University Junior High School. The parents also became emotional over their children's actions. Brutas stressed that the school takes threats of this nature seriously, even if the students claim that the posts were only meant as a joke. The school administration has also coordinated with the CSWD to provide the two students with a psychosocial intervention and counseling. Security measures at Maria Clara Lobregat National High School have also been tightened. Additional security cameras have been installed around the school, while security guards are now equipped with metal detectors. Bag inspections have also been made part of the school security protocol before students are allowed to enter the campus. Meanwhile, Vice Mayor Bentimaco Salazar appealed to the public, particularly young people, not to make jokes about the school violence that occurred at Ateneo de Zamboanga University. She also urged parents to properly guide their children and ensure that they are not influenced by groups or individuals inclined toward violent acts. Mike?
RJ, kamusta na ang atmosphere dyan sa campus sa Ateneo de Zamboanga? Lalo na yung mga estudyante at mga teachers kasi for sure may mga na-trauma dyan, ano? At ano daw ang latest statement ng Ateneo de Zamboanga tungkol sa kung kailan magre-resume ang classes?
Okay. Nakausap natin kanina, May, yung head of Communication Department ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University at sinabi niya na mag-announce lang ang school management kung kailan yung mag-resume ang klase sa lahat ng campus ng Ateneo. Pero isa yan sa mga hiniling ni DILG Secretary Remulla sa kanyang pagbisita dito sa Zamboanga ngayong araw na dapat by Monday ay mag-resume na ang klase sa lahat ng campus ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Sa labas ng campus ng Ateneo, May, ay may inilaan silang isang corner kung saan pwede mag-alay ng prayers and flowers at magsindi ng kandila bilang pakikiramay nga dun sa mga naging biktima ng pamamaril dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Mike?
Alright, maraming salamat RJ Rosalado, nag-uulat mula sa Zamboanga City.